Well, pilots, we've been showing you all around the Kiowa today. Now let's take it up for a flight. I've got the helicopter turned on. I'm gonna hit the one button takeoff, and we'll see it jump off the ground. Now, of course, I can fly it over here to me. It's a very stable little helicopter, guys. I mean, I'm hardly even having to try. Now, if we want to flip it over, there is no altitude limit. Let's put it right there and invert it real quick. And show you that. And I mean, it's this easy, inverted. Pretty awesome. Bring her down. Take her for a little rip in the yard here. I mean, for the price, guys, you can't beat these little dudes. I'll show you the landing now. Right here in front of us. Get it where we want to land. We're going to reach down and hit the one button landing. That's as easy as it is. These things are awesome, dude. For the price, you got to get one.